sure.
I should insert a car on here.
Whoa, that looks cool.
It's a mom.
Aww. Can't hold
Dude,
this.
look at that.
I
Turn it
can't.
on its side.
No. Then it messes it up. Mom, no.
Dude, there's like the one light in the background.
My mom busted through one of these ones. She went under the train. It's pretty epic.
Dude, that's cool. Look at him. It's like see-through. It's a phantom train, Greg.
Phantom train attacks car. I can publish this to YouTube right now.
Do it.
What's happening?
The Martians are coming.
It's Martin.
Martin the churro.
Okay, this is gonna like eat up my space. I'm gonna run out of space in a second.
Just listen to the sound it's making. It sounds like...
I hope this has sound. Dang.
You're getting more of the roof, Greg.